Well, I'm proud of the new album coming out. I mean, it's gonna be a doozy. It's gonna be a game changer, and I pretty much just got her done on a lot of the tracks and stuff. But it all comes back to me down to the education and just learning and trying to help other people to get her done and all that kind of stuff that Big Ron stands for. So, I was gonna get together with the Jay-Z's and the Kanye West's on this album, but I just decided just to do an album with me and a couple of my friends, and not to make it like a real big deal. Kind of wanted to keep it underground, like most of my albums are. And so the album is called Straight Cash Homie, featuring a single titled Straight Cash Homie.
I said a hip hop, hippie to the hippie, the hip hip hopper. You don't stop rocking to the bang bang boogie. Say up jumps the boogie to the rhythm of the biggity beat. Now what you hear is not a test. I'm rapping to the beat. And me, Big Ron, and my friends are gonna try to move your feet. You see, I am Big Ron, and I'd like to say hello.
Hi.
To the yogurt, pudding, whipped cream, custard, and even the jello. First I gotta bang bang the boogie to the boogie. Say up jumps the boogie to the bang bang boogie. Let's rock, Ron, don't stop. Rock the rhythm to make your body rock. Well, so far you heard Ron's voice, but I brought two friends along. And next on the mic is Big Ron. Come on, Ron, sing that song. Check it out, I'm the B.I.G., the R.O.N., and the rest is F.L.Y. You see, I got pneumonia in my left lung, and I feel like I'm gonna die. You see, I'm 5'8", but I'm really great, and I dress to a T. You see, I got bit by a tick, and now I got Lyme's disease.
Oh, man.
I got a bodyguard, a crappy car, most people think I'm whack.
You whack.
I got carpal tunnel syndrome and an ache in my lower back.
Ouch.
So after school, I take a dip in the pool, which is really the greenhouse. But I gotta go quick so I can get back for supper at my house. Hear me talk about benchmark standards, more content than a teacher could ever teach.
Say what?
Plus I gotta help the kids learn real things, practice what I preach. Everybody go Oshkosh, North Spartans. What you gonna do today is I'ma eat at Mike's place, eat some eggs, and get ticket to watch the Spartans play. Basketball, football, soccer, even wrestling.
Say what?
And if the girl starts acting